Question number 1 from exercise 2.1. Find all positive integers which can divided by 3 leaves remainder 2. By Euclid's division algorithm, a is equal to bq plus r. Here b is equal to 3 and r is 2. Divided is 3 and remainder is 2. So a is equal to 3 into q plus r. Whatever number is, let me have it as 3 ones are 3. So 3, remainder should be 2 now. So 2. Question number 2 from exercise 2.1. A man has 532 flower pots. He wants to arrange them in rows such that each row contains 21 flower pots. Each row contains 21 flower pots. So total number of flower pots are 532. Find the number of completed rows and how many flower pots are left over. Using Euclid's division algorithm, which is a is equal to bq plus r. A is equal to how many parts in a row? 21. So 21, q we don't know the quotient and remainder. Here total number of parts are 532. So write 532. In each row there should be 21 pots. So 2 into 21, 42. Remainder 1, 1, 2. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Balance 7. So write 21 into 25, remainder 7 plus 7. Here remainder is not equal to 0. 7 is not equal to 0. That means number of completed rows. We can arrange 25 rows with 21 pots. Then how many pots will be left over? In 532 pots, 7 pots will be left over. So the remainder is 7 no. So 7 pots will be left over while arranging 532 flower pots. In each row there should be 21 flower pots. Question number 3 from exercise 2.2. Find the HCF of 25, 25, 25 and 36, 36 and 36. To find the HCF of 25, 25, 25 and 36, 36, 36. We can use Euclid's division algorithm. Before using this, let us learn what is Euclid's division algorithm first. The formula for Euclid's division algorithm, a is equal to bq plus r. A is nothing but the dividend and b is a divisor, q is denoted as quotient and r is denoted as remainder. Let us see one example for using this Euclid's division algorithm. I am going to take number 27 first and then number 19. Okay, 19. First let me have this number 27 divided by 3. 9 3s are 27, 0. Here 19, I am going to use two tables here. 9 2s are 18, remainder 1. Using this Euclid's division algorithm formula, a is equal to bq plus r. How to prove? What is a? A is nothing but a dividend. What is our dividend in the first question? 27. So 27 is equal to bq plus r. B is a divisor. What is the divisor in our first question? 3. So 3 into, what is your quotient? 9 plus r. R remainder 0. Here, so write 27 is equal to 3 9s are 27. Next, in our second question, using the Euclid's division algorithm, a is our dividend, b is your divisor, q is your quotient and r is your remainder. So a 19 is equal to 9 into 9 plus r. 19 is equal to 2 9s are 18 plus r value is 1. 18 plus 1, 19. So 19 is equal to 19. So what is your formula for Euclid's division algorithm? A is equal to bq plus R. Let us substitute this formula. Let us apply this formula in our question number 3 to find the HCF of 2,52,525 and 3,63,636. Euclid's division algorithm, A is equal to BQ plus R. So first, what is your A divisor? Dividend, which is 3,63,636. Divide this 36. Your divisor must be 2,52,525. So 1 time 252525. Remainder 111. So write here 3,63,636 is equal to, what is your divisor? 2,52,525 into quotient 1 plus your remainder 1,11,111. Next, here the remainder is 0. No, our remainder is not equal to 0, which is 1,11,111 is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0 means we have to take the divisor as our dividend. So take your divisor as your dividend. 2,52,525 is equal to, right here, 2,52,525 is equal to, write your remainder as your divisor. 1,11,111. 111111. So 1 time. 2 time also. 2 time, we can write it as 2 times. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So 3, 0, 3, 0, 3. So write here A is equal to B into Q. Quotient is 2 plus remainder is 30303. Here remainder is not equal to 0 because 30303 is not equal to 0. So write your divisor as your dividend here. 1,11,111 and remainder as your divisor 30303 and divide here. Three times 3 3s are 9, 3 0s are 0, 3 3s are 9, 3 0s are 0, 3 3s are 9. So subtract this, will get 20202. So write A is equal to B into Q. Quotient is 3 plus remainder is 20202. Here remainder is not equal to 0. We have to make the remainder is equal to 0. Till that we have to use this Euclid's division algorithm. So next, this divisor should become a dividend and remainder should become a divisor. 30303 is equal to 20202. Now divide and write 30303 20202. 1 time 20202. 10101. So 1 time plus 10101. Here also remainder is not equal to 0, which is 10101 is not equal to 0. Next, this divisor should become a dividend and remainder should become a divisor. So write 20202 is equal to 10101. Divide this 20202 10101. Multiply it with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 0s are 0, 2 1s are 2. So our remainder is 0. Right here 2 plus remainder 0. Remainder is equal to 0. 0 equal to 0. That means 10101 is the HCF of 3,63,636 and 2,52,525 525. That's all.